Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on surface area. The surface area of a solid is found by adding up the areas of all the faces that make up the solid. Let's look at some examples. The first example gives us a cube which has 6 equal faces. Each face is a square, and the measurements of each square will be 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. As we know, the 6 faces of a cube are identical in all respects, so the area of one face is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, which is 25 square centimeters. So the area of the 6 faces will be 6 times 25 square centimeters, and that's 150 square centimeters. Example 2, we have a rectangular prism. So the surface area will have 6 separate faces, so we have to find the area of each face and just add them all up. So if we start by going 7 centimeters by 3 centimeters, that gives us the front face. Same for the back, which is here. Then we have 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters, that right side. The same for the left side, which is here. And finally 7 centimeters by 5 centimeters is the base, and the same for the top side, which is there. So 7 threes are 21 plus 21, that gives you 42. 5 threes are 15 plus 15 gives you 30, and 7 fives are 35 plus 35 gives you 70. So if we add all those up, we get a surface area for the rectangular prism of 142 square centimeters. Here we have a triangular prism. Excuse me. That's right angles there, so that's a right angle triangle. It has a base of 4 centimeters and a height of 3. And this slopey side here is 5 centimeters, and the length is 11 centimeters. So that's what we call a triangular prism. So the surface area will be, if we take this triangle here, remember in the previous video, the surface area of a triangle was base times height over 2. So we've done that for the 2 triangles. Here we have 11 centimeters by 5 centimeters, which is the slope side. Here we have 11 centimeters by 4 centimeters, which is the base. And here we have 11 centimeters by 3 centimeters, which is that side here at the back. So we have this section here, 12 over 2 is 6, plus another 6, so we have, there's your 6 and there's the other 6. 11 fives are 55, 11 fours are 44, and 11 threes are 33. So if we add all those up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 5 areas, we get 144 square centimeters for the area of the triangular prism. Example 4 is a square pyramid. So the surface area will be, there are 4 triangles plus the base. So if we look at this triangle here on the right hand side there, excuse me, that'll be base times height. Base times height over 2, we have to multiply that by 4 because there are 4 of them, and the base is 8 times 8. 8 tens are 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 40 times 4 is 160 square centimeters, so that's the total area of the triangles. And the base is 64 square centimeters. Add those 2 areas, that gives us 224 square centimeters for the square pyramid. So this video has introduced the idea of surface area of a 3D solid or a 3D object, and all we do, we find the surface area for each individual side and add them all up.